Hello everyone, this is your public health nurse Tanya welcoming you to another episode of Unleash. Hello guys, quick reminders lang bago ang lahat, hit the subscribe button and bell. Travel can be an exciting, eye-opening experience. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of adventure and exploring new places. That's why we are all excited to get back up on our feet and start traveling again. The COVID-19 pandemic is not yet over, so don't forget about your health safety considerations while having fun. Here are some health tips on how to protect ourselves from COVID-19 while traveling. Before traveling, check the cases of your destination in the last 7 days. Do you live with someone who might be at risk for severe illness from COVID-19? If you get infected while traveling, you can spread the virus to loved ones when you return, even if you don't have symptoms. Are you at increased risk for severe illness from COVID-19? Anyone can get very ill from the virus that causes COVID-19, but older adults and people of any age with certain underlying medical conditions are at increased risk for severe illness from COVID-19. If you are not sure about your health conditions, consult your doctor before planning your vacation. Does your destination have requirements or restrictions for travelers? Make sure that you get all the necessary requirements and know all local guidelines and protocols. These tourist destinations have them in place for your and everyone's protection. When booking a hotel online, make sure you know what their COVID-19 safety precautions are or call and ask. Pack alcohol-based hand sanitizers and cleaning supplies. Bring disposable masks and face shields to wear in public places. Make sure that you dispose of used masks properly. Prepare food and water for your trip to help limit having to go into stores along the way. During your trip, take steps to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Wear a mask with face shield if required to keep your nose and mouth covered when in public areas. Avoid close contact or do physical distancing from anyone who is not from your group or household. Wash your hands often or use alcohol or hand sanitizer with at least 70% alcohol. Avoid contact with anyone who is sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. After you travel, you may have been exposed to COVID-19 on your travels. You may feel well and not have any symptoms, but you can be contagious with symptoms and spread the virus to others. Regardless of where you traveled or what you did during your trip, take these actions to protect others from getting sick after you return. When around others, stay at least 6 feet or practice physical distancing from other people inside your home. Do this for 14 days or until you are sure you are not infected. Get tested. While waiting for results, wear masks, wash your hands often, and watch your health and look for symptoms of COVID-19. Take your temperature if you feel sick or consult your doctor immediately. These are just some of the health tips you can follow to protect yourself while traveling. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, give us a message in our comment box down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, and ring our bell to get notifications of new Unleash episodes. Be safe and enjoy your travels. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is your public health nurse, Tanya. See you on our next episode. Bye!